just another day grinding up stones till they turn into dust. It's tough times in the rough. Diamonds ain't enough to cover up a corrupted and fucked up legacy of strange fruit, bloody whips and smallpox. Trigger happy cops, barbed wire and fire water, y'all, it don't stop. When the colonizer came with the cross and the sword, I threw the first spear and said I declare war. I'm a battle scar wearing heir apparent, descendant of a long lineage of proletariat and peasant. So check the work ethic in the name. The lessons might change, but the essence of the message is the same. So when they say anything, say why is it? Class is in session till the teacher gets a big slip. I ride the rhythm, imbibe a little wine, talk head, get the concrete to line with your spine. I speak to find peace, but it's war all the time. It's deep like the drive from Renton to Shoreline. I'm a more mindful guy ever since finding out that I'm about to be a father, and doubt is not an option. And now I can't be getting crunk to faded as often. So get your hands dirty, cause a prayer ain't enough, boss. What cross? We got crucified by buckshot. 1 million Jesuses and Judas got his nuts off pages. Torn out the memory of those who remain shackled in the chains of international capital gain. They claim civilized with their animal ways. Peace to Oakland, I've never been a fan of the age, but some days you can find me inscribing my soul on the page. Every crime has an alibi. Disciplined and organized is how I handle mine. New Jacks is spending mad time on they battle rhymes. I can't knock it if you find it entertaining. I rep those whose labor ain't compensated. So check the work ethic in the name. The lessons might change, but the essence of the message is the same. So when they say anything, say why is it? Class is in session till the teacher gets a pink slip. 40 to a class, no wonder we delinquent. Half the school district never make it to commencement. I bend the spine of the track until it snaps. Pop's working overtime and he got a broken back. Got 3 little sisters, 1 brother in Iraq, and mom prays novenas to keep the fam intact. But this song ain't a song waiting for God to answer. Brothers call me dog, they got the letters backwards. I'm back with a plan of attack to repossess my name, face, and history, y'all. Who wants test my capacity to spit caliber shit into a rhythmic lesson? And edutainment's a legitimate weapon, igniting the cipher sessions. I'm deciphering life and blending both theory into practice. I write vernacular and actual fact, God, no posturing. 1,000 pointing fingers, I defied every one of them. I ride for my brethren who carry the burden of a future uncertain till the fall of the curtain. You better move. Hold your head high, soldier, it ain't over yet. That's why we call it a struggle. You're supposed to sweat. Check the work ethic in the name. The lessons might change, but the essence of the message is the same. So when they say anything, say why is it? Class is in session till the teacher gets a pink slip. Crazy landlady trying to switch upon the lease. If she raises up the rent again, it's time to say peace. Peace, peace, and that's my peace. It's still all about the bullet in the belly of the beast. From the east